Myself, Dr. Humaira. I am from JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nasik. My topic is ovaries. As you know, the ovary is the primary sex organ of female reproductive system. It is present in pair. That means two ovaries are present. Besides it, some accessory organs are present, which is nothing but the fallopian tubes, uterus, vagina, and external genitalia. So the ovaries, paired ovaries are almond shaped. It has pale white or yellowish color. The interior of the ovary can be divided into superficial cortex and deep medulla. The production of the gametes occur in the cortex. The arteries, veins, lymphatics and nerves within the medulla. Like testes, ovary is also surrounded externally by fibrous tunica albuginea. The tunica albuginea externally covered by cuboidal epithelial cells called germinal epithelium. Embedded in the highly vascular connective tissue of the ovary cortex are many small sac-like structures called ovarian follicles. Each follicle consists of an immature egg called oocyte covered by different cells which are one or more in layer. The surrounding cells are called follicle cells. If a single layer is present, and granulosa cells when more than one layer is present. Follicles at different stages of maturation are distinguished by their structure. In a primordial follicle, one layer of squamous-like follicle cells surround the oocyte. A primary follicle has two or more layers of cuboidal or columnar type granulosa cells enclosing the oocyte. It becomes a secondary follicle when fluid-filled spaces appear between granulosa cells, then form a central fluid-filled cavity called antrum. At its most mature stage, when it is called a vesicular or Graafian follicle, the follicle bulges from the surface of the ovary. The oocyte of the vesicular follicle sits on a stalk of granulosa cells at one side of the antrum. Each month in adult women, one of the ripening follicles ejects its oocyte from the ovary, an event called ovulation. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle is transformed into a very different structure called corpus luteum when eventually degenerate. So this is the structure of ovary and its compositions present inside of it. That means main structure present in the ovary is nothing but the follicle, by the help of which formation of oocyte over takes place, and after ovulation, if germination occur, then the fertilization of these ova takes place. So this is nothing but the structure of the ovaries. Thank you very much.